ngalelo langa ngisazilungisa mina sithi siyamthatha sinosesami. When I turned around bekalele embedeni ngambona, it's like ngathi she was choking, so kanti she was taking her last breath.
Is that the gasp they talk about? About umuntu taking the last breath, they gasp or something like that?
That it stays here.
Don't be.
Into ehlala isengqondweni, like iyohlala ilapho.
Yeah.
It resides engqondweni.
Seyithole nendawo permanent lapho ngaphakathi.
Exactly.
Madoda.
Seeing her enza lokho akwenzako, and then after some time kwathula kwathi tu.